All right, gang, this is the program called SoundTrap, and this project is working on one of our graduation songs as a test tutorial, and it's called Seasons of Love. I think you all know the song. I'm going to speak quickly right now. You can go back and hit rewind if you need something. I think most of this you'll be able to figure out. So once you click on the link that I've provided, it'll bring you here, okay? It's what's most important is that you do not do anything to the 4 tracks that are listed here. Okay. I do have it saved separately, but this is what I've started us with, and you are going to add on to. So your first step is going to come over to add new track and click on the click button. And then you want to hit voice or microphones. And then where it says mic here, you can click on that button, double click on it, and put your name. Okay. Here's the next thing. And I think most of you can figure this out. Over here on each track, when you're listening, I would suggest that you listen to this with headphones on. When you click on the headphones button is going to turn off your ability to hear it or not. You're all going to want to hear the piano part, obviously. And then as you see here, I've put down a soprano guide, an alto guide, a baritone guide. So if I'm a baritone, I'm going to click on this. And as I have my headphones on and I hit play, I can listen to my guide vocal along with it. And then my job is to match that guide vocal to the best of my ability. Here's the last piece as Cameron goes behind me with some food. When you are ready to record, you go back to your track and hit the R button. It says, are you using headphones? I'm using headphones. Hit the red button. Once you've hit that red button, you're good to go. And all you need to do is hit the start recording button. Now it's going to give you a couple measures to get started with. Remember, the introduction is actually twice the length that's written on the page. So it's 8 measures, not 4 measures. Here's the second time. Yes, I'm using headphones. And here we go. Ready?
525,600 minutes.
When you're done with your performance, you hit stop. And you'll see it's rendering for a second, but this is all the stuff that I talked through right here. If you're good to go, then all you need to do is hit save at the top, and then I will be able to come back and check it, okay? If you don't like your take, click on it and hit the delete button and try it again, okay? What you can do is set up the cursor in the measure that you want to start on, so you don't have to always start at the beginning. Don't worry about any of the reverb or volume or any of that kind of thing. If you want to sing along with all the parts, you can do that. If you want to sing along with just your part, you can do that. And that's the basics of it, okay? I think it's going to work really well, okay? Message me, email me if you have questions. Thanks.